let you put it in the fire. Big bank, take low bank. Big bank,
Hey
take
everyone, it's Emily, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial because I haven't done that in a while. Basically, I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve a no makeup look. Going to be doing my makeup, but it's just going to be very natural. It's not going to be full glam. This is usually for you don't feel like doing too much, like a full face of makeup, and also you feel like doing your makeup but you don't want to like spend too much time on it, then this is the tutorial for you. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start off with a primer. I'm usually using the Maybelline Master Prime until this runs out. A bit of this and just put it all over my face. So usually I just go in circular motions, but you're supposed to just kind of like pat it in where you want it to be. So beforehand, I did a regular skincare routine. And if you want to see an updated skincare routine, just like this video, and I'll be sure to make one soon. So now that I have primed my whole face, I'm going to use concealer. I'm just going to be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. And what I'm going to do is just put it on the areas of my face where I feel like I want to kind of just cover up. So that's what you do first. So after you do that, you just take your beauty blender and just blend out wherever you put the concealer. So after that is done, I'm going to go in with my second concealer, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Basically what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put it under my eyes and wherever I want to highlight. So now that I have done that, I'm just going to blend it out again with the same beauty blender. Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. So I'm just going to set my under eyes very lightly. So I'm just going to take a little bit on here and pat it into my under eye. I'm going to put a little bit on my smile line so it doesn't crease as much. A little bit on my chin, just the excess. My forehead. So while that is kind of baking or whatever, it's not all over my face or anything, it's just under my eyes and just the oily spots of my face. I'm going to go in with some bronzer, no cream contour or anything, it's just a powder bronzer on my cheekbones and around the temples of my forehead, and maybe a little bit under my jawline, we'll see. This kabuki brush, like this, and going in, and maybe just a little bit down the nose. And that's it for bronzer. L'Oreal True Match blush in the shade Precious Peach. I've been using this for about 6 months and just hit pan, so I'm going to use it for a little bit more until it's all gone, and then I'll be getting new makeup, and then you guys can see that, and I'll probably do an updated makeup routine around the fall time or winter time. I'm just going to take this Forever 21 brush and go in with the blush and just put a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. Very little, because you don't want it to be too obvious that you have makeup on, even though people will be able to tell. Like, I'm not going to say like you can trick everybody. You're just going to look natural. So yeah. So after blush and all that, I like to go in with my setting spray. This is the NYX Matte Finish Spray. Half of my face first, and then apply my highlight, and then after that I'm going to do the other half, and you know the rest. I forgot to dust off my bake. Oh no. I'm just gonna blend it in with the beauty blender and hope for the best. I totally forgot to dust off my bake. I don't know if that'll make a difference. I'm gonna dust it off on the right side and see what happens. Oh, this is terrible. I really hope I didn't crease. I don't think you're supposed to put setting spray after you have baked your face and not wiped it off. Now I'm going to apply my highlight. Sephora palette. I'm going to be using this for a while. From time to time, I'm just going to switch off on my shades. For now, I'm just going to be using the most golden one at the bottom because I feel like that matches, and just apply it right here. Just a little bit under my eye and down the nose. So we're not done with that yet, because now I'm going to do the right side of my face. That's it for the highlight. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender again to just make sure everything is nice and blended together. I use the Great Lash Mascara today, and I like this one for a more natural look because it doesn't do much to your lashes. It kind of just adds color and I guess not lengthen, but it kind of just makes them look a little bit longer, but it doesn't give you any volume or curl, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes. So the last step is going to be lips. It's just Sephora lip gel, but it says lip gloss right under it, so I don't know why they're calling it a lip gel. This is in the shade 05 Rose Petal. This is really close to my natural lip color, so I like to use this for a natural look. I really like it because it just suits my lip color so well. So my braids have been in. I'm gonna take them out now. I just wanted wavy hair today, and also it actually helps getting my makeup done easier without my hair getting in the way of my face. So yeah. So this is the finished product, and honestly I'm really happy with it. This is probably gonna be my new go-to look, and it just took me less than 20 minutes to do this, and I think it's really good for just makeup for school or just whenever you want to do something and not have too much makeup on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please give this video a like if you haven't already, and check out my other videos. So yeah, bye.
They can't take a joke. Blast that shit back if you blasting.